So in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Boeing company stock. And my dear friends, this stock has broken down from an important support level, and along with that there are multiple negative factors which has already been materialized. There are multiple negative factors which has been which has been triggered on the stock, due to which this stock is going to give you a big downside correction, and that allowed us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock. We can initiate and short sell position before a massive downside correction get triggered. And if you are on the buy side, then be watch out, my friends, because very soon this stock will ready for a downside move. So if you are on the buy position, you put your stop loss strictly. And if you'll make a closer look over here, this was in bottom where the stock has given the upward move. The stock has given a massive upside rally in the form of upward parallel channel, and as long as the stock was trading under this upward parallel channel, the stock has triggered a back to back higher highs. If you'll see over here, the first higher highs registered here, the second higher highs, and the third higher highs. And as far as this upward sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside, very the moment it has broken down on the downside, its higher highs shifted to lower lows. You can notice over here the stock was continuously making back to back higher highs, which has been now shifted to lower lows. So that give us an confirmation that stock is officially under correction. The moment when we notice, the moment when we identify that higher highs is shifting into a lower lows on closing basis, then we take that as a confirmation that stock is under correction. And whenever you find the stock is under correction, the very first thing you have to do is you have to protect your profits, and you can initiate a short selling position. And there is a high probability that stock is going to give a downside move. And here we got a two major negative signal. The first negative signal is upward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside, and the second negative signal is its higher highs shifted to lower lows. And here if you'll see, there is a third negative signal over here. If you'll put a RSI, you will see there is a negative diversion. If you'll see over here, if you'll make a closer look over here, there is here if you'll see there is a higher highs, there is a higher swing, there is a higher peaks, but RSI is missing. There is a lower peaks on the RSI, and there is a higher peaks on the price action, and this is an area where we got a breakdown. So even the diversion is showing a negative diversion, so this is a third negative signal. And if you'll see over here, my dear friends, if you'll make a closer look here, you will find the negative chart structure too. If you'll see, there is a negative chart pattern that we call as an head and shoulder pattern, and it's already gone trigger down from this neckline. And now the last important support is this level. If 196, the last important support level is if the 196, this is it. If this level, if you see this white line, the $196 got broken down on the closing basis, then very soon you will see this stock will going to come down with the target of $171, the first target, and the second target it will come to fill the gap over here. There is a gap at $162, so there is a high probability that the stock may come down to fill the gap. If you see over here, there is a gap over here. The stock may come down to fill the gap, and this will be the stop loss. If the stock give closing about $227, $228, then this correction will be completed. But as far as every rally in this stock will be an opportunity to short sell and to cover the target over here. And my dear friends, here we have identified, and this level will going to act as an important, as soon as this trend line will get broken down, it will going to act as a strong resistance, because here we have identified the four major negative signal. The first one is the upper sloping parallel channel broken down on the downside, higher highs shifted to lower lows, and the third one negative diversion, and the fourth one is negative chart structure, that is an yeah, the fourth one is this negative chart structure head and shoulder pattern. So the upward sloping parallel channel downside, higher highs, lower lows, and negative diversion, and the head and shoulder pattern, that is all four negative, all four these negative factors will going to give a pressure to the stock for a downside move. This is it for today's. If you love my analysis, or if you understand my analysis, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.